Hi guys, welcome to Bite Size Excel. Today we're going to take a very quick look at the SUM and the SUMIF functions which allow you to add data within Excel. Now the quickest way to add data is to actually use a keyboard shortcut. And the keyboard shortcut for this is pressing Alt and equals. And then if you hit Enter, it will automatically select all the cells above. And then if you press Enter, it will add them together. Quick way to remember this formula is to click on the Formulas tab, hover over Auto Sum, and at the very top of the box that appears, you can see the shortcut is Alt plus equal sign. You can also type in the formula yourself. So if we click on this cell here, we press equals, sum, add in the brackets or hit the tab button to open your brackets. And then you can select your first cell that you want to add and drag down to the last cell. The way to do it is to select that first cell, hold down Shift on the keyboard, select the last cell, and then if you hit Enter, it will automatically complete that formula and add up your kilometre squared area there. Now, adding using the sum function is relatively straightforward. So next we're going to look at SUMIF. Now, SUMIF allows you to add data based on a particular criteria. So for example, you might want to look at something that's either less than or greater to a certain value. So in this table here, we might want to look at or add up the data that is 2017, 18, and 19. So if we select our cell, we type equals SUMIF. Now, the first data that you need to put in is the range. Now, the range is the data that your criteria comes from. So we select the years. We then want to put in the criteria itself. So we want anything that is greater than 2016. So 2017, 18, and 19. So put in a quotes, put in your greater than sign, and type in 2016. Close the quotes. And then our sum range is the bit that we want to add up. So adding that in, again, hit Enter. And we should have a total from anything greater than 2016. So if we highlight these three cells and check the bottom corner, you can see that the values down here and up here match. Another way of doing this formula, if we do it in a different way, so we can look, so SUMIF, again, selecting your range. We might want to do greater than or equal to. So greater than sign equal to 2017. Close our quotes and select our sum range. Again, hitting Enter completes your formula. And I have left out a comma. Make sure you have them all in. There we go. And it returns the same result. In this last example, we're going to look at adding it up by a year, for example. So, equals SUMIF. Our range, we want to add up the year. And in this one, we've actually put our year into a box so that we can change what year we look at. So, if we select our little box here, and then again, select your sum range, and click Enter. This total will then equals the sum of these cells. Equally, we change it to 2016 and the value will change. So that's a quick whistle-stop tour through SUM and SUMIF. Please do leave a comment, and if there's any particular topics that you'd like to have covered, please let me know. And of course, as always, like and subscribe. Hopefully see you in the next video. Bye now.